It's a beautiful alley in Detroit. Go a little bit slow, we'll walk it all the way down the end. That's a nice photo right there. If you want to see this alley, this beautiful alley, make it like a 4-minute video. That's standby right there. That's a restaurant. It's kind of like a speakeasy, but they got beautiful artwork here. So a lot of these places are open during the day. It's a holiday right now. You got security right here. Yeah, it's really nice. I've seen this alley very full at times during the weekends for games. Tigers are doing really good. Post Bar. Yeah, a lot of these places are open. You might get one. That place is open. Pizzeria. Feels really good to be in the city. It's nice and warm. It's actually hot. Yeah, this is really, that's really interesting. Yeah, it feels nice to be in the shade. Detroit took some of the alleys. This is probably the best alley in Detroit, but Detroit took some of these alleys and, you know, made them like what you see right now, where people can actually sit outside and there's artwork, things like that. Then like this is opened up. I've seen this opened up many times, and then they'll bring these tables like over the side so people can walk. I don't know where that is. Oh yeah, a lot of people do photography down here. Yeah, not a long video, just keep it like 4 minutes. Just wanted to show the nice artwork in Detroit. Keep as many videos going as I can. That's nice artwork. If you're interested in seeing more of Detroit, I got a lot of videos. So you got a lot of people biking here too. It goes all the way up. This is a parking structure. But yeah, this is really really nice alley. It's really sticky. Ooh, probably because put alcohol, the beer. But yeah, people sit, and you know, if you do like photography, if you want to do a photo shoot, you can bring people down here, have people sit over here, people sit over here. We'll wait for these bicyclists to go. But yeah, this place is, I can't remember what this place is. We'll see in a second. Yeah. Deluxe Flux. That's a really interesting place in the inside. It's got like neon lighting and things like that. We're looking here at 3 minutes. You can see me in the window. Say hi to me in the comment section, please. All right. Well, actually, you might be able to see me. You can kind of see me in that mirror. See me in that mirror right there? All right, Deluxe Flux, yeah. That's a nice photo too. Yeah, that's what they call it, the belt. Welcome to the belt. That's what I'm gonna name this YouTube video. Welcome to the belt. And then you see like the new Hudson building right there. Then you got the Louis, the Gucci place right here. But yeah, they call it the belt. And we're gonna keep walking. And then all the way down there you see Woodward Avenue right there. And then they got the Gucci store right here. I think they're just cleaning. It's a holiday. They're probably open. But yeah, let me know what you think about the belt, and thank you.